Sometimes, you want your Excel file to be editable, only for a specific time. After that time, no one should be able to edit it without a password. Well, I have the perfect solution for you. And if you need this complete VBA code along with the full procedure, just comment "protect" and I'll share it with you. Now, let's see it in action. Here, I have a simple Excel worksheet, and on the second sheet, we have the username, unlock time, lock time, status, and finally, the expiry time. Now, let's move to the VBA code. Go to the Developer tab, click Visual Basic. To keep this video short, I've already written the code inside this workbook. Now, let's review the important parts. First, this line is where you need to replace it with your own worksheet name. And here's another important setting. This is where you decide Next, let's insert a module. Before copying the code, let's look at one very important line. This line contains your password. If you want to change the password, simply change it right here. Also, don't forget to replace the worksheet name here as well. Now, copy and paste the complete code. Now comes the fun part. Let's create our magic button. Go to Insert, choose a rounded rectangle, and place it anywhere on your worksheet. Format the shape and type Unlock. Now, let's assign the macro. Right-click the button, choose Assign Macro, and select Unlock. Now let's test it. Click the Unlock button, enter your password, and the worksheet becomes editable. You can even change the expiry time. For this demo, I'll set it to just 1 minute. Now, let's wait for 1 minute. Time's up. Let's see. Can we still edit the worksheet? No. You can see the message, the editing permission has expired, exactly as expected. Now, let's make this even more secure. We'll protect the worksheet and also hide the VBA code, so no one can change the password or extend the expiry time. We'll use Excel's very hidden option. Done. Finally, let's lock the VBA project. Go to Tools, click VBA Project Properties, open the Protection tab, check Lock Project for viewing, and enter your password. Now, close the workbook and reopen it. As you can see, the VBA code is completely locked. If you found this video helpful, please like the video, share it with your friends,